The report we're releasing today, Broken Promises, about Egypt, just shows that Egypt is exactly the same as it was when people went on the street in last January. This is not what they fought for. We are seeing 12,000 civilians have been tried by military courts. People who complain, people who blog, people who use their freedom of expression are being detained. We're seeing the military employs thugs, violent thugs, to protest against people they never investigate. Basically, this is ruthless suppression of people's freedom of expression and about the democratic movement. And it is also just bears all of the hallmarks we've seen of the Mubarak regime. This is exactly the same. Well, as we've seen with current discussions, the military government is trying to kind of preserve in the constitution a particular right for them, which is also problematic in the terms of impunity. No democracy can work if the military has impunity and security forces have impunity. So that is not a good sign. On the other hand, elections are good. We're moving forward, but we need a very, very clear signal from the military that they're actually willing to step down, that things will change. And we need a signal from the international community that it will want things to change. So it's absolutely clear that whoever is shooting is not protecting. The demonstrators aren't being protected, and that is the job of the police. The government has to make sure that people can peacefully protest and that they're being protected from violence and that they have a right to express their opinions. This is important. So what we're seeing there is exactly a repeat of what we had in January when people were fighting for their freedom. Overall, this military government, the Supreme Council of the Armed Forces, is no better than what Mubarak is doing. This is ruthless suppression, and we're seeing exactly the same as we saw before.